Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw some Christmas cookies. So we're going to make 3 different Christmas cookies. So let's start with the first one. So the first one we want to make like a little stocking. So these lines are not going to be perfect. I'm going to kind of have some of them a little bit smaller, some of them a little bit bigger, just to give it a little bit more realistic effect. So the first one, we're going to make the stocking and we want to make the top. So I'm going to start by drawing a line that just kind of curves up a little bit and then back down like this. Then right here I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of angle up on each side, kind of curved and drawn up at like an angle. And then I'm just going to kind of connect these just like this with a line. Now right here I want to leave a little bit of space and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go up to here. You can see that it's a lot closer on this side than this side. And then I'm just going to make a line that's going to go down and that's just going to kind of curve around like this, kind of like we're making a sock. And then this part's just going to kind of go down like this and then right to here. So this is going to be like the icing on the cookie. So now we want to draw the actual piece of the cookie. So I'm just going to kind of outline this whole thing. So I'm going to start here and just draw a line that's just going to kind of go around the whole thing like this. You start off in this one part. And then I'm just going to continue it on here. It's okay if your lines get a little bit closer to the frosting in some spots. That's just going to kind of help it look a little bit more realistic. And then I'm just going to kind of draw it right around here and just kind of connect it to here. Just kind of like you're tracing the whole thing. Now I want to add some more things on here. So I'm just going to add a couple circles in just a couple random spots. And then, you can put a few smaller circles in here as well. And there you go, that can be our little stocking Christmas sock cookie. So let's draw another one. Over here, let's do like a little Christmas tree one. So to draw this, we're going to draw a couple layers of icing first. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a little squiggly line like this. Almost kind of looks like a little mustache. Then I'm going to make a little curved line on each end. And I'm going to make another squiggly line that matches that first one. Now this next one, I want it to be a little bit wider than this last one. So I'm going to start a little bit farther out and draw another little kind of wavy line. And then do the same thing, just kind of redraw this line. And then I'm just going to do the last one, kind of same thing, going to keep it a lot wider than the last one. And then just kind of redraw that same line. Okay. Now that we have this, we want to add the next layer. So I'm going to start right up here, and I'm just going to add a line that just kind of goes up, and then it's just going to come back down to here. Then on this next one, I'm going to do the same thing, just draw a line up, and then draw a line right up to here. You don't want them to be right on the edge, you want them to be in just a little bit. And then same thing down here. I'm going to kind of curve this line a little bit and bring it up. And then kind of same thing on this one. Now, just like how we did this last one over here, we're going to kind of outline this. So I'm just going to kind of start right around here and just kind of outline it. If you want your lines to be a little bit closer or even kind of touch, like here I can have this line touch right there, that's totally fine. It's just going to make it look a little bit more realistic. Then it's just going to kind of pop out from underneath here, kind of go around. I'll let it go right to this line. And all that does is make it look like the frosting is kind of like running off the side. And then I'll just come around here and finish it off. Now you can always add some extra little things on here. I might add an extra little line, real skinny squiggly line kind of around here just for some more frosting. And this will just kind of help break it up a little bit. We'll make sure we do this in a different color than the rest of the cookie. That just kind of helps break it up. Now the last one we're going to do is let's do like a little tiny like gingerbread house looking cookie. So this one's pretty easy too. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the icing, and we just want to make a little kind of triangle shape like this. Then underneath here, I'm just going to add just some really kind of squiggly lines like this. And then I'm just going to add kind of like a little squiggly circle line at the top here. Now, right around here, I'm going to draw two lines that just kind of go up. And then they're just going to kind of connect like this with a little squiggly line. Then right under here, I'm just going to make a little wavy line to here, and then it's just going to kind of come back. Same thing over here, a little wavy line. That's just going to come right back here. And then we'll just connect them with another wiggly line. Then right inside of here, I'm just going to kind of trace around the inside of this, kind of the same shape to make it look like there's a door. And then the tricky part right here is we want to make it look like there's some windows. So I'm just going to make kind of like a little square shape like this on each side, but these squares are not going to have a bottom. And then I'm going to make the bottom of them a little bit rounded, so it almost looks like there's snow sitting at the bottom. And then I'm just going to make like a little square shape inside of each one. Then I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to start tracing around here. So I'm going to come down, I'm going to go out a little bit, and then kind of curve in, just to make it look like where the roof is. Then I'm just going to kind of go down, kind of make it a little bit wider around here. Just go across and kind of come up. And then I'm just going to go out again and then kind of come back up, and I'm going to stop right there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go up, and then another one here. And then at the top here, I'm going to make a little wiggly line. And then I'm just going to draw a little curved line around it to kind of make the chimney. And there you go. There is your drawing of 3 different Christmas cookies. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.